Phrasal verbs and idioms about love and dating. Hit on someone. To demonstrate romantic. Some guy hit on Anna while she was standing at the bar. Flirt with someone. To behave as if you are interested in someone but not serious. Matthew and Anna were flirting with each other at their friend's party. Ask someone out. Invite someone for a date. Matthew has asked Anna out several times. Fall for. Begin to be in love with someone. Matthew is falling for love with Anna. Go out with. To have a romantic and sexual relationship with someone. How long have you been going out with Matthew? Open up. To start talking more about yourself and inner feelings or emotions. Anna's finally starting to open up to Matthew. Break up, split up. To end a relationship or to separate. Anna broke up with her ex-boyfriend for 2 years ago. Fall out. To argue and be on bad terms with someone. Anna is not talking with Matthew. They fell out during their holidays. Call off. To cancel. Matthew didn't call off Anna for a date, so she waited for him 2 hours last night. Stand up. Someone not show up or come to the date without calling or reasons. Anna doesn't know if she has been stood up or if Matthew just late. Lead someone on, cheat on. To lie someone. Matthew led her on many times. Make up. To forgive someone. They kissed and make up, as usual. Move on. To keep going. They continued moving on after arguing. Settle down. To get married and lead a quieter life. They decided to settle down in London after getting married. Put down. A negative statement about someone or insult. Matthew always tries to put Anna down. We're down. Make someone feel tired. Their arguments are wearing her down. Drift apart. Become less friendly or close to someone. Over the years, Anna and her best friend drifted apart. Count on. To trust someone. Anna always counts on her husband. Hook up. Have sex with someone. When did you two first hook up? Grow apart. No have same interests or opinions. As they grew older, Matthew and his wife grew apart. Stand by. To support someone. Matthew always stands by his wife. Patch something up. To repair or fix a relationship. Matthew and Anna are still trying to patch up their marriage. Make a play for someone. To take the plunge. Pop the question. Tie the knot. Make a commitment. To go on honeymoon. Go your own ways. Love at first sight. Crush on. Have a go on a date.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.